Potatoes are so fun to grow, and here's the crazy thing about potatoes: you bury the stems and you actually grow more potatoes. The same is true for tomatoes, very close relative. You can bury the stem of a tomato and it will form roots instead of just rotting like every other plant virtually on the planet. But the thing about a tomato, it's just going to grow roots. A potato, it's going to grow roots, and that means tubers as well. And potatoes, you plant the potato and you only grow potatoes above that mother potato. So we planted these about 6 inches, 8 inches down into the ground. And then as they grow, every time they get a foot, 12, 16 inches above the top of the soil, we're hilling them. And we're adding, at first it was soil from the path, and now we're bringing in compost, and we're bringing in this mulched, beautiful leaf litter, deciduous leaves from the forest and actually from our neighbors, raking them out of their lawns. And we're putting them just along our long rows. Other materials that you can use to mulch your potatoes: grass clippings are awesome, especially because they're full of tons of nitrogen, super nutritious. But straw, even though it's less nutritious, will also grow great potatoes. And basically, if you have any kind of soil, compost, straw, old moldy hay totally works. And deciduous leaves, mulched deciduous leaves, are one of my favorite mulches of all time, whether I'm mulching plants or hilling potatoes. So you can see these potatoes are about 12, 14 inches tall, so in a few days we'll be giving them their next hilling, and by the end of the season we just keep going, and there's no stopping. These potatoes will just keep growing taller, and we'll just keep piling up the organic material, covering these stems, and they'll just keep filling this entire hill with potatoes as they go.